Evaluate each expression for a equals -4, b equals 7, and c equals -11. First expression is a minus b plus c. So first we have to substitute every variable by the given values. So we can write that this is equal. A we have to substitute by -4. So because this number is negative, so I will put this in parentheses. Next we have to copy negative sign, and b is 7. So let me write 7 plus copy another sign, and c is -11. So again I will put in parentheses. So this is equal. We have subtraction and addition. Now we have to use order of operations. We know that when we have subtraction and addition, we start from the left side and going to the right. We have -4, -7 first. So I can rewrite this, that this is -4 plus -7. So we have -4 plus -7, and the rest we can copy. Negative plus -11. This is equal. I didn't change anything because positive and negative sign is negative sign. Positive times negative is negative. I didn't change anything, still is the same by now. But now we see what we have to do with. We have addition first of two numbers which are negative, and we have plus also negative numbers. So we can do all this operation together. Because we have three negative integers, we copy negative sign, we open parentheses, and we just add these three numbers. So we have 4 plus 7 plus 11. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 4 plus 7 is 11. Plus 11, this is equal 22. Next expression. First, we have to substitute variables by the given values. A is -4, so we have to write in parentheses this negative number, plus b is 7, minus, and we have c is -11, so we will write in parentheses. So this is equal. We have addition and subtraction, so we have to do this operation from the left to the right. And now we have -4 plus 7. First number is negative, second is positive. How we add two integers with different signs? First, we check which of these two numbers is greater, 4 or 7. 7, of course, is greater. So we check the sign before 7 is positive. So we keep positive sign, and in parentheses, we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 7 minus 4. And we have negative and negative sign. You have to memorize, when we have negative and negative, is always positive. Let me write negative, like times negative. This is always positive sign. So we have plus 11. So this is equal, positive sign, we can rewrite, and 7 minus 4 is 3 plus 11. So we have just addition, 3 plus 11. Let me rewrite this. So this is equal 14. This is my solution.